I want to talk to you about business accounting software, and we want to compare and contrast Zoho Books and truly small accounting, as well as neat accounting. So here's a review I want you to pay attention to. I want to first start with Zoho Books. Now, of course, when you think about Zoho Books, I want you to think about let's say a software ecosystem, because Zoho Books is not just about accounting. They do project management, they do they do CRM, they do all kinds of software. So it's really important to understand that when you go with Zoho Books, you are actually embracing a whole software ecosystem. So the right accounting software streamlines your financial operations, that's for sure, and also automates key processes like stock tracking, invoicing, and payroll. And that's kind of cool. And Zoho Books actually does that very well. I want to first talk to you about the pros and cons of this software tool, so you have a clear idea of what I'm speaking about when we think about Zoho Books. So the pros first. When you think about Zoho Books, I want you to think about automated bank reconciliation, robust desktop app, extensive project tracking tools like tracking tags, highly customizable reporting tools, very tailored experience like customizable invoices. As a matter of fact, there is a software tool called Zoho Invoices. So that kind of helps you also in terms of tracking and also, let's say, sending invoices to your customers. And also you have a demo version and a free trial. So that's kind of cool too. So we love that a lot. In terms of flexibility, that's what we love a lot with Zoho Books. What about the drawbacks? When you think about drawbacks with Zoho Books, well, automations may be too complex for smaller businesses. So if you're a startup, if you're a solopreneur, if you are, let's say, a macro business, Zoho Books might not be the appropriate software for you. And also the advanced features are only available in higher tier plans. So basically the thing is that Zoho Books actually has a free plan, that's for sure, right? But if you want to really unlock the real modules, the real capabilities, the real features that this software tool has, you might have to actually pay a little extra. I mean, they're charging like $40 to $45 and even $50 in some cases per month per user. And there's also a low user limit, so 15 users maximum. Okay, so this is something to really think about. So when you close your eyes and think about Zoho Books, think about a cloud-based accounting software tool that simplifies project management, invoicing, and inventory. And it's really, in our view, an excellent option for medium to large-sized businesses looking for an affordable accounting solution. And the Zoho spreadsheets has several benefits over traditional accounting, like less wasted time, reduced risk of errors, and peace of mind. So that's kind of cool, because you have, for instance, when we talk about the key features, payroll and invoicing, inventory management, and also integration with other tools, that's really fantastic. You can see on the screen here that you are able to actually create workflow rule within Zoho. That's really good. You can also have custom functions. That's good. You have reporting and analytics. I want you to see right now on the screen. You have the reporting. Fantastic. You have time tracking. You have that also in Zoho Books. Fantastic. So that's really, really comprehensive. Let's talk about cost. So is it really worth it to really invest this year in Zoho Books? Well, I want you to look right now on the screen. This is what we have right now when it comes to Zoho Books. So we have a quartet of prices, 4 prices. Of course, you have the free version. You have the standard, the professional, and the premium. Now, the free version, they actually will be free only if you are making, as a business, let's say less than $50,000 gross revenue every single year. So this is kind of cool for solopreneur. This is good for micro businesses. But as you're growing, this could be an impediment, right? Because you're going to have to actually go for a higher tier in terms of pricing. But long story short, if you look at the prices, those prices invite affordability. Those prices inspire affordability. Look at it. I mean, $15 per user per month, $40 per user per month, $60 per user per month. That's really, really affordable. I mean, I'll show you later on the prices for a truly small accounting and neat, so you can see a big delta in terms of pricing. So that's really important to really think about right off the bat. Okay, and the cool thing is that Zoho Books even offers a 14-day free trial with access to all the features in the premium plan, like validation rules. The rules I showed you a little earlier, right? You have budgeting, vendor portal, and custom buttons. So that's kind of cool. So the free plan is kind of cool. Now the free plan actually limits you to 50 grand a year in revenue, but also maximum 1,000 invoices per year. So be careful there. and you have the standard plan. Standard plan actually allows you to have up to 3 users. That's kind of cool. And you have the professional plan. The professional plan allows 5 users per account plus advanced features like bills, multi-currency contracts, 25 custom reports, and sales orders. If you remember, I showed you a little earlier the custom reports. And then you have the premium plan. And the premium plan actually you have all kinds of capabilities within that plan. So in terms of interface and ease of use, fantastic. Zoho Books actually emphasizes ease of use and user friendliness across the board. So in terms of UX and UI, you are well served. You are gonna like it. That's really fantastic. Okay. And for example, I'm showing you this on the screen here. To set up inventory stock, issue invoices, or record expenses, you just need to select the appropriate options from the left-hand side. The drop-down options are intuitive to use and straightforward. So that's really fantastic. Again, we love the flexibility there. Okay, if you were to think about it, especially again, if you are a startup or a micro business, this level of comprehensiveness is really cool. I want to talk to you now about truly small accounting. This is the second accounting software we want to review into this conversation. So let me break it down for you. When you think about truly small accounting, I want you to think about an excellent tool if you are a freelancer, a contractor, or you are running a small business offering services to a handful of clients. Okay. So basically, if you think about Zoho Books is great for mid-sized to large enterprises, but truly small is really for micro businesses and entrepreneurs. And the software is straightforward and simplistic, so it's really easy to use even if you have no previous experience with any accounting tool. So we love that a lot. Of course, it does lack advanced features for like larger businesses, such as project tracking, budgeting, time tracking, and inventory management, stuff that Zoho Books does have. So all in all, if you are listening to me right now and you are looking for a simple accounting solution, let's say to digitize invoicing, expense tracking, and task categorization, truly small might just be the tool for you. In other words, simplicity is the name of the game. When you close your eyes and think about truly small accounting, I want you to think about simplicity, affordability, and also efficiency. Let me walk you through the pros and cons of this tool here. So the pros first. It's very simple and easy to use. You have invoicing templates, themes, and branding, separate business and personal expenses. And you also have an automatic transaction categorization with custom rules. So in terms of efficiency, you are actually well served here. What about the drawbacks here? When you think about truly small accounting, what kind of drawbacks can you actually think about? Well, there are no advanced accounting features. So what you had before in Zoho Books, you don't have it in truly small accounting. And it doesn't offer any native third-party integrations. If you think about it, Zoho Books gave you more than 70 third-party integrations. Truly small accounting doesn't have them. I want you to look at the plans and pricing. Look on the screen right now for me, so you can see that truly small accounting has three pricing tiers, and you can see the prices are way lower than what Zoho Books has, right? And that really kind of makes sense because we are speaking about a target audience that's a little different. So you have truly small invoices, truly small expenses, and truly small accounting. So if you want the accounting, the whole 9 yards, you are paying $20 a month. But the cool thing is you always have a free 14-day trial. So that's kind of cool to really test out the tool. So the invoices module is great for freelancers, contractors, and small businesses that provide services to local and global clients. It's actually designed to facilitate invoicing and help you accept payments for your work. That's kind of cool. Then you have the expenses. So the truly small expenses module is a must-have for small businesses that actually want to automate their budgeting and expense tracking. And the best thing about this module is that it really allows you to separate personal and business expenses, even if you are paying with the same card. So that's kind of cool. And the accounting, if you're looking for a bit of, let's say, a bit more functionality than simply sending invoices and tracking your expenses, the accounting module has got you covered. It really automates and streamlines accounting processes, helps you track sales stacks, lets you generate essential financial reports, and provides you with a true double entry ledger. So that's kind of cool. And I'm showing you the invoicing part here. So you can see on the screen. Fantastic. You have expense tracking, tax categorization, automation, reporting, and integration. So let's talk about specialization. So what is truly small accounting good for? Well, as the name suggests, truly small is a tool designed to help small businesses, solo entrepreneurs, and freelancers handle the financial aspects of their businesses. So if you think of it that way, it's a rather simplistic accounting tool that offers very little apart from the very basics. When you think about truly small accounting, you don't need to be a CPA. You don't need to have any background in accounting to actually use this software tool. It's pretty straightforward. So for smaller businesses that want to move away from spreadsheets and digitize their invoicing and expense tracking, truly small is a really, in our view, an excellent cost-effective tool. And an added benefit of truly small is that it really offers across the board an excellent mobile app, allowing you to handle your business's finances on the go. If you were to go to the Apple Store or Google Play Store, you will see that Truly Small Accounting has received the app has received a lot of good reviews here. So that's really what we love about Truly Small from a scalability point of view. Okay, one thing I want to say here is that the bottom line here is that for you to decide whether or not Truly Small Accounting is good for you, think about your budget. Think about the features that you are looking for in accounting software. Think about ease of use. Think about integration. Think about automation. And think about reporting capabilities, okay? And also, don't forget customer support. So basically, what methods are there for a truly small accounting to contact you when you contact them back, okay? What their working hours are, how quickly can you expect a response, and how efficient are they in resolving technical problems that you may encounter. So Truly Small is not free. You saw that they actually gave you a 14-day free trial, okay? So you can send the first 5 invoices for free if you opt for the invoices module alone, or you can try out the platform for free for the first 14 days with expenses and accounting modules before you commit to a monthly or annual subscription. So that's something to really think about. And what we love about Truly Small Accounting is that, of course, the software doesn't limit the number of users, so you can add as many as you like to your existing account at no extra cost. So something to really that we love a lot. I want to talk to you now about Neat Accounting. So that's the third accounting software I want to review into this conversation. So when you think about Neat Accounting, I want you to think about a higher level of accounting capability. So basically, you have excellent encrypted storage, and that's kind of cool. And so what we love about Neat Accounting is that you have think about Neat Accounting as a very excellent central hub for all business documentation, knowledge bases, process documents, contracts, receipts, and invoices. And you have a tool that actually makes it super easy to search your documentation, find exactly what you need, and securely share it with team members, business partners, and clients. So from a scalability point of view, that's really good. So the issue is that pretty much the full extent of what you can use Neat for basically is there. So if you need encrypted online file storage, this platform is a must. However, you will still need to invest in a different accounting software solution to handle, let's say, invoicing, expense tracking, project management, time tracking, and tax filing. So all in all, Neat can be worth it, provided that you are specifically looking for a file management app, but it's not a viable solution if you need accounting and invoicing functionalities. So what are the pros and cons of Neat Accounting? So basically, the pros first, the pluses, if you will. It's simple and easy to use. You have a fantastic customer support. All documents are encrypted both at rest and in transit, so we love that a lot. Yep, the keyword search and filters are there to quickly help you find a specific document. You have an excellent mobile app for both iOS and Android. What about the cons here? What about the minuses? Well, you have inflexible pricing with a yearly commitment, no invoicing capabilities as of the date of this show, and you have overall a tool that's overall lacking in true accounting functionalities. What about the pricing here? So you can see that Neat has a very transparent, very simple pricing tier they're charging you $200 per year. $200 per year. Okay, so that's kind of cool. There is no option to pay monthly, so you'll have to commit to a full year of using the software and pay the full price upfront. Thankfully, there is a 14-day free trial, so you'll be able to test the app in practice before committing to an annual subscription. The high price and no monthly subscription make Neat really inflexible. As a result, it's only a good choice if you plan on using every feature it offers and know for a fact that you will not be switching to a different provider during the 12-month subscription period. So, in addition to the base platform, Neat also offers two paid add-ons. So you have the VIP service that actually charges you $50 per year, and you have automated insights at $150 per year. So now the VIP service involves one-on-one coaching and a dedicated support team, while automated insights revolves around reporting and analytics. So this is kind of important. So seen as most accounting software solutions include reporting and analytics as a core feature of the base platform, Neat, in our view, becomes quite a bit more expensive than alternatives. So that's something to really think about. And one thing I want to say is that in terms of features, if you are considering Neat this year, in terms of features, Neat is primarily a file management platform, meaning all of its features are geared towards securely storing and sharing business documents. In other words, Neat is not your typical accounting software because it lacks one key functionality you would expect of an accounting tool: invoicing. Okay, but you have data storage and organization, that's for sure. You do have receipt tracking, as you can see on the screen here. You have receipt tracking, so that's kind of cool. And you have reconciliation. You have a tracks prep, so that's really good in terms of functionality. We love that a lot. Let's talk about integrations. So when you think about Neat natively integrates with a handful of third-party apps and tools such as Outlook, Google Contracts, Campaign Monitor, MailChimp, Quicken, and H&R Block. It also integrates, and that's a good thing to actually say here, it really integrates with QuickBooks, one of the best accounting software solutions on the market. So if you are looking for both file storage and core accounting capabilities, these two apps are the perfect pair. Another notable integration is with TurboTax, so you can really export all key documents and ensure complete accuracy during tax season. So that's kind of cool. So what is really Neat good for? Well, Neat, in our view, is good for scanning receipts, uploading invoices, and securely storing all crucial business documents. It also helps you easily search for the files you need, as well as share them with your team, business partners, and clients. And with Neat, you'll be able to easily track your monthly spending, ensure every transaction is matched to the correct source, and make sure you have all the documentation ready for tax season. And you can also utilize Neat to generate in-depth reports on the financial health of your business. But keep in mind that Automated Insights is a paid add-on with a rather steep price tag, $150 per year. So that's something to really think about. So overall, when you think about Neat, I want you to think about what you're looking for. What kind of features are you looking for? Okay, and so there is a Neat mobile app. So you'll be able to upload receipts and documents, as well as search your document library anytime, anywhere. Now, Neat software is not free. You saw it's not really $200. You're paying Neat does not offer a free plan, free forever plan. There is a 14-day free trial, however, so you can test it and practice before committing to an annual subscription. And so that's kind of cool. Now, Neat scanners are pretty obsolete in our view. The company no longer makes or sells scanners, but you will still connect virtually any twin compliant scanner to Neat to scan your receipts and documents. Okay, and so one thing for sure, if you're looking for accounting software that you can use and that your accountant also can use, Neat is not it. Think more about QuickBooks, Xero, and Oracle NetSuite. So what are the general considerations here? Zoho Books versus truly small accounting versus Neat. Which one should you go for? Before I tell you which one should go for, it's important to really have a clear idea about how to select business accounting software this year. For your business, it doesn't matter, what kind of growth mode you are in, whether you're a small business, a micro business, a large enterprise or a medium-sized company, you got to have a clear idea about what kind of a business accounting software that you need in the first place. So what you want to do here is you want to really sit down and consider both your needs and your accounting skills. Do you have staff in-house to handle accounting for you? Do you maybe outsource your accounting right now to a third party, such as a CPA, an EA, or even a bookkeeper? So your best bet for finding the right accounting software is to actually look at how your business operates and then take careful stock of the different types of software on the market. And if your business makes several $1,000,000 a year, it will have very different accounting needs than one that makes, let's say, less than $50,000 a year. So you have a variety of options when it comes to accounting software, including those designed specifically for small and medium-sized businesses. So depending on your industry, you might want to consider specialized software that is designed to help businesses in your niche. For example, there are applications customized for businesses in the manufacturing sector, for retailers and restaurants, as well as for many other types of commercial enterprises. Next, you want to look at cloud applications because you want to really think about scalability, but also think about affordability. Okay, with cloud computing becoming a more prominent influence in modern business, it's important not to dismiss the many online accounting applications available. And cloud applications come with a variety of benefits. They can be accessed from any location with a strong internet connection, and you don't need to purchase software licenses or servers to run them. You want to keep your budget in mind. You want to pay attention to add-on features, and you want to make the decision with the help of your accountant, your CPA, your EA, or what have you. Okay, your accountant may actually prefer that you choose an application that is compatible with the ones that he or she uses. Every business is different. Your accountant is in the best position to offer an educated opinion about which one is the best choice for your specific enterprise. Your accountant may even be able to help you set up the software you choose. So what is our pick here? Zoho Books versus truly small accounting versus Neat. Which one should you go for? Our choice is very simple. Truly small accounting is the best. Zoho Books is great for mid-sized and large enterprises. Neat is more for document storage and document tracking. Truly small accounting is really good, especially when you go for the accounting tier where they charge you $20 per month. That's really fantastic. So in closing today's conversation, I actually spoke to you about Zoho Books versus truly small accounting versus Neat. I give you the review. We actually went through the general considerations, the pick, and now the closing remarks. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.